Hello guys, this is your friend Cindy, and in this video we are going to start our new series that is making a point of sale system using Java from scratch. Okay, so let's just get into it. Create new project. Sorry. Okay, so Java. Let's wait for it. Okay. Inside the source package, let's create 3 packages, which is the sources, the script, and images. Okay, in the sources, let's create our JFrame form. It will be the frame. Okay, so let's set the size of our main frame to 900. Preferred size 900, 500 or so. Okay, and then the minimum size to 900 to 500 as well. Okay, and check the undecorated. Okay, and the size, also change the size to 900, 500, and it will resize itself, or not. You have to resize it to 900, so it will stop if it hits 900. As you can see, there is a line there. It's the indication of its 900 size, and this one will be 500. Okay. Now after you have set the size, go to the code, generate center. Okay. And then let's try to run our JFrame form. Let's wait for it. As you can see, this is how big our system is right now. Let's close it. Okay, let's go to design. Now we are going to add a main panel here at the JFrame. Start it here. Let's make it absolute layout. Okay, and then let's resize it again. $500 to 900. And then let's go to properties. Let's change the background color to this one, blackish color. So as you can see, that's a good color choice. Okay, so as you can see, this is a good color choice. And after that, we are going to add a new panel here. So let's rename this first. Let's rename that for our main frame panel or so. And that's the end of the first tutorial.